Kopi Luwak, the world's most expensive coffee, has become an international sensation. This exotic coffee sells for $30 to $100 per cup and $100 to $600 per pound. It is noticeably not bitter and is intensely aromatic. It has a complex flavor profile that is smooth, earthy, and sweet with a hint of chocolate. The main factor of its high price is the uncommon method of production. Kopi Luwak, also known as civet coffee, is a type of coffee made from coffee beans that have been partially digested and excreted by the Asian palm civet, a small mammal native to Southeast Asia. The civet eats the coffee cherries, but the beans are not fully digested and are excreted in the animal's feces. The beans are then collected, cleaned, roasted, and brewed to create Kopi Luwak coffee. Because of the unusual way in which it is produced, Kopi Luwak is one of the most expensive coffees in the world. However, there is controversy surrounding the ethics of producing and selling Kopi Luwak, as some producers keep the civets in captivity and force-feed them coffee cherries, which can be harmful to the animals. Additionally, some studies have suggested that the quality of Kopi Luwak is not significantly better than that of other high-quality coffees.